Hi guys, you're a very wet Hykeham station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane and Andrew. It is very wet. It is very wet. Oh well, it's only water. 158806 again.
What are you doing, folks?
Cheers. One 158-806 to Leicester. It is pissing it down. There it goes. And that's it. As I said before, it's very wet. We now just wait upon our 6 uniform 21.
1544 Kingsborough for DBS.
Yes, I'm going to step back because this may get a bit weird.
And wet. Oh wait, it already has.
And this tug's going to make it even more wetter over here.
Yeah, because it's going to splash it off these containers, isn't it? And over. Well, it's spilled some oil.
It better not do. Where's my tug?
Having a wash.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's a stupid.
Ooh! Ooh!
It's tug 99! It's number 99!
Run, there's a freight train coming.
Yeah. As long as a tug.
I'm going to get down here. I'm going down here.
You should be 99!
Tug 99. Oh god. God!
It almost dried me up.
There it goes. And that's it.
To the Sheriff plot from all Great Frost straight through 1546, 2 kilo 45 miles transit of Newark, Peterborough. Newark, Peterborough.
Oh, here it is.
It's the Teresa's 26 and 55.
Back to Peterborough. From Newark.
55.
153355. 1533 26 to Peterborough.
That's a red up there. Look, that's a red. That signifies a red. That's got stopped way before Boughton.
And that's it. Hi guys, we're at Hykeham Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Shane and Andrew. We now just wait upon our probably 6 Whiskey 09 DB Centre.
Leicester.
Okay, it's Leicester.
Which is 1609 to number 73. It's another train service from Leicester Lincoln Central.
Sorry about the dodgy camera work, people. Hang on.
Booming down here.
There we go, dodgy camera work over. And now we're upon your 2 limit 73s.
Passing Boatham on brain.
We're going to get this first then. First up is your 2 limit 73, 1609 is from the train service to Lincoln Central from Leicester. The Castle Line service. East West, 156403, yet again. Hang on. What are you going to say? One 156403 to Lincoln, and there it goes, and
thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.
Time for the main event of the day.
Right,
and that
13SZY. Just being there, cameras, wait for our
we wait for our 6 Whiskey 09 Dutchman EWS service from Lincoln Terrace to Cardiff.
Tiddle.
Here she is, DB Shed. We've got a DB Shed, people. First DB Shed on the 365 Shed Yoho channel.
About 15th for me.
15th.
Let me just watch under it.
Really.
I won't nick myself.
66 152. Christ alive. 66 152 to Cardiff.
66 152 to Cardiff, and
There it goes. And
thanks guys, we'll see you tomorrow.
or wherever.